Na naman silang 5.
What we got here is we have a contest.
Lista naman.
People climbing the
Sige.
pole. If you can climb the pole all the way to the top, you get a prize. I don't know what the prize is, but that's what he's attempting to do. So let's check this out. I guess it doesn't matter how you do it as long as you do it.
Ane, murag malupag yung mas mga baye, ane. Inanakan ni mga baye. Dili lang din sila mo totoy ha. Naka pa. Ane.
No way in hell would I do this. Number one, I couldn't.
Awas. Atay, di po na madali na. Ay ko inang minus na kusog. Ma'am Estela, atay. Di po ka magugata na ma'am. Atay, ates. Atay. Pamugasan.
Be worried about that thing breaking.
Atay. Okay. Sige. Patay unyang gabi ani walay dulog ani kay manakit ning nakuan. Astilan.
And we got another one going on over here.
Agsa mo dong. Lupig mo bayi dong. Dong mga bayi ani. Trapo, tugboy trapo. Okay. Sige. Wadayon ta. O kinsay mahimong sika ni ani.
Okay, what's he do now? They probably greet. Yeah, see, they put something on
Ito
it,
sakan ito kay dako.
so it's slippery. There's no way. Oh, you're gonna get run
O
over.
ba?
Dili wala ilain mo sa ka.
Dong. Unsa naman dong? Bayira na ha. Bayi ng naas lalom. Ay ragulugan na.
No.
Kay buras gyapon nugma. Naog. Saman.
No.
Ato laman ning
He's
usa man
gone.
Kaya dili na.
So I haven't seen anybody do
Kaya
it.
sige.
Well, guys, I wanted to show you that.
Basta
It's
kami
kinda
diri
cool.
mo premium raman mi basta.
Bye-bye.